Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error code that is 0x80070002, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find app readiness. At the very top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on restart. Once done, now you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to go to Windows Update and over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if the scans are stuck, you can skip the step, you can follow the next step. Next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you can scroll down. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You can click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And if there is any update, you will see update option or install option. Install it and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to use open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Over here you can see the recovery option, click on recovery. Here fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Next step is the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.